Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Jyoti and I'm from GEMS International School. My project was in Google Sheets. So my project was given to me expense management, where I have to create an annual function budget sheet with the to-do list and the student list, and where on the third sheet I have to show the expenses. So I have opened the sheets, then I have selected the a blank format, and then I have applied that an annual function to-do list, where I have just written the points of to-do list: invitation card, sound, music, and after that I have created a student list with the performances and number of students number of students in each performance, along with their names and the teacher in charges for costume and props for that particular event or activity, okay, for that particular performance basically. So as you can see, I have mentioned the names for all the band performance, Ganesh Vandana, opening dance, BU dance, play, for all. Okay, then I have created the expense sheet. Before going on that, I just want to show you the formatting features which I have applied. I have applied the bold, then I have just you can see that change the background color of that row and the column where I have written the performances. Here also, as you can see, I have merged few cells. Okay, from here we can do the merging. Okay, and then in the expense sheet, here firstly I have merged these top rows for the header part, okay, where I have put the school logo, then school name and date. Then I have created a budget sheet where performance names I have mentioned, number of students, total costume cost based on per head costume cost. You can see that I mentioned very clearly that ₹600 per head. It means costume cost for per student will be 600, and then I have applied the formula, as you can see in the formula bar, B4N to 600, and then I have dragged it for all, and I have applied the validation also, that I will show you later how I have applied. Same for props, I have mentioned the cost for per head, and then I have applied the formula by multiplying it. Then find out the total cost, I have applied the sum function from here. Okay, I have picked the function, so then I have calculated the values in the cells. Then as you can see, I have applied conditional formatting also here. So firstly, let's see that how to apply merging. I told you from here we can merge the cells. I have merged it. Then for data validation, you can see how I have selected list from a range, and then I have applied for that particular cell. See here, yeah, show data validation message, also enter number greater than 0, where, and then I have selected number greater than 0 here. Then the reject input, so that it will not allow me to enter value less than 0. Okay, so the enter number should be greater than 0. You can see that if I'm trying to put number, then it is showing a message. Okay, so I've applied it on in all these columns. Okay, and then for conditional formatting, as you can see from here, if I click on conditional formatting, you can see that I have given the specific range for which I'm checking the values should be in between 30 and 35, and then the custom color I have picked up this. We can change the color and the range also. Suppose I'm giving a range 30 to 37, you can see, and accordingly here you can see the color is getting changed. Okay, so I will just say okay, and all the cells are colored there. Okay, accordingly. So in this way I have applied the conditional formatting. So let's see what is left further. I have added the school logo, each and everything. Add your name, that is also there in the footer. I will show you. Filter the results by showing the expenses of one particular category. Okay, so we can apply the filter from here. Okay, as you can see, so we can pick any performance. Suppose I'm just clearing. So I'm just creating a filter here. I have created all the values. So I have selected the Bihu dance and I'm clicking on OK. Bihu dance and opening dance. Suppose I want to see for these two categories only. So you can see, we can see only the two categories are coming there as a filter. Okay, and for other categories also, if we want to see, we can click on select. If I want to see any individual category, I can see also. Okay, then if we want to, so let me select all and apply so that we can view all the records again back in that format. Okay, right. So next is sorting. Suppose this is the data which I want to sort. I have selected the data, then I will click on sort. Suppose sort range I'm giving a based on column A, which is a performance one. Okay, so we can sort from A to Z alphabetically basically. Okay, so as you can see, it is sorted alphabetically. Now if we want to see in the reverse order, you can see from Z to A. Okay, in this way we can do sorting. We can apply custom sorting also by applying different conditions. If you from here you can see we are just putting the columns here. Okay, let's select the data which we want to sort and then sort range. We can add another column if we want to merge two columns for sorting. We can do it from here. Okay, so we can click on sort and we can see the sorting thing. Okay, so I have shown you how to do filtering and sorting. Then next comes the, see, I have shown you these features also: formatting, merging cell calculation with basic formulas, data valley, conditional formatting, and last one is left is how to. Last one is how to insert chart. Okay, I have removed the filtering. Now you can see that I'm clicking on insert chart. We need to select the data first for which we want to select chart, and then we'll click on insert and we'll select the chart from there. Okay, by default it will give the column chart to us. Okay, we can change the chart type if we want. You can see it like this. You can pick any kind of chart here, line chart, area chart, but I have just shown you here that how to insert the column chart. I have already put the chart, so I am removing this one. I can show you at the bottom. Okay, this chart is already here. We can see it, the expenses here as per the performance. Okay, how much expense it will be of it, and in the footer I have put my name and subject also as per the requirement. So header and footer I have added. Okay, as you can see, and here you can see that the total amount approved budget was of 5 lakhs, and when we have done the calculation, the cost I can show you that the student cultural expenses around this much, and then the total expenses are there, then the balance amount is 65,000. I hope I have covered all the required features, and thank you so much. Thank you.